Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the name of Lady Q because I'm a lady, but you can call me Q. On this channel, I go by Little Big Sis because I be putting y'all onto the T. And today is no different. I am putting you guys on to another Amazon wig find. I know how much you guys love these, so I'm coming back with another one. This one is a straight bob wig. And if you guys are into videos like this where I'm showing you guys my Amazon wig finds, I need you to give this video and all the rest of them a big thumbs up. After you like this video, make sure you leave a comment to let me know if you're going to try this wig out, and also share this with your friends, with your family, and let them know I got them. There are wigs on Amazon that they can try and get in 2 days. Like, without further ado, let's just hop into this video. So y'all already know the drill. If you don't, what I basically do is I show you what the wig looks like. I give you the details on the wig, and then I install the wig. So let's start with showing you guys the wig. I like the packaging of this wig. I feel like they didn't put the effort into the aesthetics, but it's fine, I guess. It came in this DHL packaging, but again, it came from Amazon. And in the front, it has red highlight straight B. It says 2-inch, but I think it meant to say 12-inch. 13 by 6 by 1 tea party. And then it has some Chinese letters. I'm assuming this is straight out of China. And then it came in this plastic bag. And then here's our wig. It has, you know, the little net on it. This is our wig. But wait. This is the wig. It has this one, like, streak of red in it. So let me give you all the information on this wig. I wrote my notes down in my book so I don't forget a thing. It comes from the Q-Tiker store on Amazon. So Q-Tiker is Q-T-I-K-E-R. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm pretty sure that is in Chinese, and I don't speak Chinese. So I will leave the link to the wig if you're interested in the description box below. This is a 13 by 6 by 1. It is a T-part wig. So basically 13 across, 6 going down the length of the part, and then 1 the width of the part. It's 12 inches long, so she is a short bob, perfect just in time for the summer. So let's see what she gonna do. It is the red highlight, as you guys already saw, and it is mixed with a natural black color. As I can tell that I'm gonna like it, and I love the density of this hair. The density is 150, but she feels a little full. This is Brazilian human hair, and it says that it's pre-plucked. This is in the 12 inches, but it comes in 10, 12, and 14. Y'all already know the drill. I'm gonna go take this one off. I'm gonna put this one on, and we're gonna see what she's working with. I'll be right back. So this is it on my head. I didn't do anything other than just put her on my head because I wanted to talk about the construction of the wig, as well as show you guys the hairline before I do anything to it. So this wig comes with 4 combs. There's 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the nape. And it has the 2 adjustable straps in the back. This is what the hairline is looking like so far. I love how transparent this lace is looking. I haven't sprayed it or anything, but I can tell already this lace is not going to give me any issues. I'm off camera. I'm going to go cut the lace. I'm going to go straighten my hair a little bit. May change the part space. I think I may be able to do the skunk style. You're just going to have to keep watching to see. So I'll be right back. So I had to come back on here just so y'all can see after I cut the lace what it looked like. I told you I wasn't going to have no issue. So this is what she's looking like right now. As you see, it's not glued down. I didn't spray it. It's not glued down. But I can tell this is going to be an easy install process. And I'm here for her because she's here for me. Before I get too excited, let me go do what I do. Remember when I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna that trending skunk stripe look? Girl, I lied because I done did it. Look, girl, look at this. Would you look at this? You can't tell me I didn't just get a fresh blowout and some streaks. Honey, get into this. I don't even know what to say at this point. This vibrant red, I'm in love. Let me focus. So basically all I did was cut the lace. I sprayed my lace tint spray on it. It really didn't need it, as you guys saw. And then all I did is I took out the middle part by taking my hot comb and just putting a part within the middle part, because it says 1 inch, but it's kind of spacious. So you're able to do a little side part into it. And I put some on the side so I can separate some of that red to the other side. And then I just took my hot comb and then I pressed down. This is what we're left with. I'm gonna show you what it looks like with the middle part. Find the middle part. So this is it with the middle part, and I'm not mad at this part either. I kind of just like the symmetry of having red on both sides, but if you're into like one side one color, one side the other color, do this too. It is definitely cute. She has a lot of body to her for a bob. It's probably like the best bob wig that I've gotten from Amazon thus far, because she has so much body to her. And usually when I get the bob wigs and I straighten them, they look so thin, but this is given like very natural, very flowy, very bouncy, and I didn't have to really put any curls. The only thing I really curled was the front, just so I could flip it over a little bit, but other than that I didn't really have to curl anything, and she's giving body. I think my only con with this wig would be I wish they plucked it just a little bit more in the hairline. If you do some baby hairs, it probably wouldn't be that much of an issue, but I do like a little more plucked, realistic hairline. And if they made the parting space just a little bit wider. I do believe that they have a 13x6 or 13x4 if I'm not mistaken, but that's not the one that I got, so can't even really put that on them. I should have probably selected that one. If you don't do nothing else, if you got no other wig, get this wig, because it don't get no better than this. It's super affordable, super cute. The summer is here and it's edgy. I'm all about being a little feisty, you know what I'm saying? And this little red highlight is giving me fierce. So definitely go purchase this wig. I'll leave the link in the description box below, but everything else is a pro. I really have nothing bad to say about this hair. Like, it's really, really soft. It's very lightweight. I'm not experiencing any kind of shedding. I love the length. It's actually 12 inches. Like, you know how like sometimes they'll say like, oh, it's 12 inches and it'd be like right here. They were very true to the way that they advertise this wig. I want to get really, really close so you guys can see it in its magnificence. But yeah, this is the wig. I'm giving her a 10 out of 10. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Lady Q, because I'm your little big sis and we need to keep in touch. But that's all I have for you. I will see you all in my next one. Until then, peace.